what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be smashing some stuff with a hammer. First off, we have a styrofoam ball. So let's get started. Guys, look at what we did to it. We like hit it like right here. It's like that's like what happened, guys. Alright, cool. Now we have a brick, not showing up brand names. Brick brand. Oh, you sponsor video? I'm a-okay with doing that. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. It's not cracking it. Guys, I'm gonna go with that. Didn't do anything. It didn't do anything, guys. This is crazy what's happening right now. I'm gonna go get that thing. Guys, like, look at how far it went. It's over there somewhere. I'm gonna go get it, guys. Okay. This is crazy, guys. It hasn't even broken a bit yet. Okay, guys. This one is a survivor. Whatever I'm gonna use, I don't know. We have this thing, guys. So I am going to. What's happening, guys? Actually, seriously. We'll do that. You guys see it? Okay, guys. Going to do this. Now we have to do. Quick, look at this. We got stone, guys. Okay, guys. This is gonna be insane what we're doing. We have a ink tube for a pen, but first we're gonna break the cap of it. So 3, 2, 1. Are you serious? What? You know, I was expecting something different from that. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like this. And top. Didn't do anything to it. Here, actually, guys. This thing. There, guys. Destruction. Ouch. That fell. Oh, just saw some people. 3, 2, 1. Still nothing. Come on. Work. Oh my goodness. Some bits of glass came out of this. What? Okay. This thing is cracked. This thing is getting a bit cracked. You can see right there, guys, a bit cracked. We're going for perfect. We're going full on. 1, 2. Okay. Now I did it, guys. I'm gonna go get the pieces to show you guys what happened to it. Okay. Almost got all the pieces. These are the pieces of a pen cap. That's what people make pen caps out of. What? So guys, where is it? Where's the ink tube? I found it. Okay, guys. This is gonna be the craziest one there is today. Well, that I'm doing. Look at this video if you want me to do more of these, because this is super fun, guys. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. Are you kidding me? Guys. So intact. What the heck? Oh, guys. We got leakage. Oh. We got leakage. Guys, this reminds me of chopsticks. Hey, yo, would you like some shampoo? Oh, okay, I'm gonna get you that shampoo. That smells so good. And once YouTube adds in smells, oh, this is good smelling. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna need to go wash my hands, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.